Most people use Claude on easy mode. Default model, vague prompts, one giant messy chat. Here are 9 upgrades that put you ahead of almost everyone, and none of them are hard. Think of it in 2 halves. First, set Claude up properly. Then, learn to talk to it like a pro. Let's go. 1. Pick the most powerful model. Right now that is Claude Opus 4.8, and most people never switch off the default. Then make sure thinking is turned on, so Claude reasons the whole problem through before it answers. Better model, deeper thinking, same chat window. 2. For anything that touches your real files, move out of the chat box and into Cowork. Cowork is the desktop app where Claude works directly with your documents and tools, so you stop copying and pasting context in and out. Less re-explaining, more doing. 3. Spend 1 hour, once, on an About Me file. Teach Claude your voice, your rules, your goals, and what good actually looks like to you. Drop it into your profile or a project, and every answer comes back sounding more like you. 1 file, much better output. 4. Connect your actual tools. Gmail, Drive, Slack, your calendar. This one is the big unlock. Claude stops being a clever stranger and starts being genuinely useful because it can finally see the work you really do. 5. Prompt with action verbs. Do not say, review this. Say, find the risks, suggest edits, rewrite it clearly. Name the output you want and name the order you want it in. Vague in, vague out. 6. Set the length, the format, and the tone up front. Left to guess, Claude gives you far too much. Tell it. 3 bullet points, plain English, no fluff. A tighter prompt gets you a sharper answer. 7. Give positive instructions. Instead of listing everything you hate, describe exactly what you want instead. Say the thing, not the opposite. It is a tiny shift that changes the whole answer. 8. When Claude gets something wrong, do not rewrite the entire prompt. Paste the one line that is off, say what is wrong with it, and ask it to fix only that. Short, direct, move on. You will iterate way faster. 9. Reset when the chat gets long. After a lot of back and forth, the answers can start to drift. When that happens, copy your best result into a fresh chat and carry straight on. Same Claude, clean slate. So that is the whole game. Half of it is setup, the right model, Cowork, an About Me file, and your apps connected. The other half is how you ask. Clear verbs, clear limits, positive instructions, tight fixes, and a fresh start when you need one. Do not try all 9 at once. Pick the one that hit hardest, maybe connecting your apps or building that About Me file, and set it up today. If you want to learn in-depth about Claude and start delegating real work to Claude AI, run multi-step Cowork tasks across Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Check out our full course on Udemy. Link in description below.